Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Room 322. I am PD with you. Today we learn how to make PDF from layouts in AutoCAD with a single command Batchplot. First you have to prepare layouts. Here is my drawing. I have already prepared layouts. You should make only one page in a layout for Batchplot command. Rename the layouts as your drawing. If you can't prepare layouts, then you can find another video link in my description box. When you prepare your all layouts done, then you command Batchplot. You will find a list of your prepared layouts. Keep only the layouts you want to make PDF or print. Select Publish to in PDF preset options, then click Publish. Select location where you want to save your PDF. You can select yes to save current list or no. I will go for no. Your printing and publishing job will start in background. Now relax and do what you want until it's finished. You can see the progress. Keep your mouse pointer on the printer icon in the bottom right corner of AutoCAD window. It will show you publishing progress. In this waiting period you can watch another video for your skill development. It will take some time. Time depends on layouts number and also your CPU performance. Sometimes it shows preview. When it's done, now go to your location folder and you will get your PDF. Here you see you have your PDF. It's a very easy process. You just need to prepare layouts with proper page setup. Please follow my another video in the description link for prepare layouts with page setup for Batchplot. You must know about how to work in layouts in AutoCAD. If you are known to layouts, it will hard to use Batchplot. If you have any questions, comments box is open for you and Room 322 will be there for you. You can like and share my video if you find it useful for you, because it can be useful for others. Thanks everyone for watching this video. For more videos please subscribe my channel Room 322.